М. Так, вроді є. Мгм. Раз, два, три. Раз, два, три. Раз, два. Так, поки збирав всіх. Взагалі сьогодні буду на англійській стріміти. Треба далі практикувати англійську. Зараз по роботі не так багато у мене спілкування англійське, тому так, якщо будуть якісь питання на українській, то задавайте їх без проблем. Але we'll talk English today. Пу-пу-пу-пу-пум. Так, в принципі, все це ми закриваємо. Пу-пу-пу-пум. Закриваємо наш баш. Подивимось. Yeah. We'll see how today it goes. Maybe if we will finish earlier, I'll switch to, I don't know, Tokenizer maybe. The stuff I wanted to, or maybe we will work on Pounded. Poundable, yeah. This stuff is kind of cool. Like basically this is the capture the flag thing, and you just do small tasks with it. I think I finished the first two. Yeah. We'll see. I'll try focus more on speed, because yeah, like it's taking too much time to try to write it the most performant way. So we'll do the fastest. Yeah. Okay, waiting for people to gather. Basically, we have 16 more minutes. I'll disable my camera and sound, and we're waiting for it for other people. Так. Сподіваюсь, мене чутно. Let's start it. Let me check that you can hear me good without any noise, etc. Oh, what the fuck? Mm. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Привіт. Вітаю на стрімі. So as I said, this will be English stream. So yeah, if you have any question in Ukrainian, you can ask it. I'll answer. Just yeah, with this stream, I want to focus more on learning stuffs and doing it too. And I haven't practiced English for a while, so at least I can do it on streaming. And let's start. Yeah, we ended yesterday on mostly on part 2, and we will do it today. Just finish it as fast as possible and continue doing other stuff. Basically day 2. Yeah, this is the goal. We'll focus more on doing things fast when then trying to do it like the most performant way. Yeah, and we'll do the most performant way when we need it. So right now we're focusing. Let me open Advent of Code. Day 1, part 2. Yeah, we finished with the first puzzle, and right now working on second one. Basically, what we want to do is replace words like 2, 8, etc. with numbers, and yeah, let's get started doing this. We were doing replacing, but get a like corner case. Like, let me find one like this one. So basically, because we had one sec, because we had this matches array, we find two, like the first and 8 the second, and we replace with this one, but basically we need to replace this one first. So we need to go through the way of sort it with iterations or regex. PO, not sure what does PO mean. But we will go like reducing slice, like basically string, and using start with of Rust. I mean string, Rust string start. 1, 2. Wait, is it scaling only for one? Yeah, just the active tab. Okay, got it. Yeah, so what we have here is start with something like that. Starts. yeah, starts with and starts with one sec. And starts with just find what we need. We just need to like reduce slice. Basically gets like line as a slice and go through it like making a new string. So let's just make a res string no like this to own it. Boom. And we will just go through the line and try to reduce the slice. It could be easily done on basic bytes, like in C or Zeek, but yet we just don't want to lose the security and go through unsecure code. That's why we'll do it like canonical way, as they say. Can get slice, I guess. Vec. Yes, safety. Just return network. String slices. TF chunks. Split n. Is it okay to backseat? I faced interesting issues yesterday when tried to solve but two. Yeah. I mean, it is. As I said, I will do it in the slicing and starting with, like slice, make get the slice of string, and reducing it like char by char. So we can take it as str. Ends with get mute. Matches parse repeat replace. Dude, I don't know. We can just bytes, but it's UTF-8, so matches. Okay, let's see. Rust slices. Doc Rust slice type. Boom as bytes. But we want to basically, yeah, this is the thing we need. String slices from 0 to 5. 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can we go? Yeah, I think this one. This one is for ending. Rust playground. So what we want to do is create some kind of string. Like, I don't know, hello world, to own it. So this is string. And basically get the length of string, capacity, len. I just len. Not chars graphemes. In other words, might not what the human considers the length of the string. 4. Wait. Chars count. Len and bytes. to this one is because of UTF-8. If I understand correctly, you want to slice and replace like 3-2, but there is a problem with combinations like A2 when one words and let's have that first. Yeah, so what I will do is basically like take full string and just like use start with and in loop just reduce the slice. So we start not from the first char, but like second and third, and just go through like until we will have like empty slice. So this is like the way to do it. So for that we need length. I guess we can just get the str length. Like bytes? No, as bytes contains no char index len. Fancy. Yeah, I guess we need chars count. Let's just take a look. Rust get str slice length. Rust struct field. Net. We need something other. Yeah, I guess it just chars. Chars len chars count this. Print. I can actually debug len. Okay, 11. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and basically get the slice ASSTR. Is it as str string slice contain the entire yes, there's no terminator Rust for string, you mean? Yeah, like basically only C and C++ in C++. I guess strings in C++ doesn't use terminator too. So most of these languages like Java, C#, because string is basically a class with length, they don't need a null terminator. I guess yeah, C++ have it just for backward compatibility with C, but for this they don't use it. But it's fine. Like we don't use. I mean, we don't need it right now. What we want to do is just extract slice, and like for Rust for range. One. We'll take values. Yeah. So what we need is basically like for I in 0 len and I yeah, and we like a copy, and I guess because it's slice already we can do something like this. Let me check. The size for values of type str cannot be non-compiled time. Wait, why is it? Yeah, okay. can be known and compilation time. And the traits, okay. Because this should fix the problem. Yeah, and now let's just try debug it and see is it working as intended. Yeah, we just like, yeah, like this, just reducing it until we have like last. So this is basically what we need. So what we doing? We have the line, string. So, mm, mm, dude, I will do it this way because I like to work it like in the middle. Perfect. So we get in the string, we're making the result what we want to do, we go in, I guess not loop, just range for I in 0 line just count. Boom. Okay, your size, expect a string. Dude, what? I guess we just need to copy it. Let's see what Cajo we say for this stuff. Use of undeclared. Yeah, okay, regex. Expect a string. Yeah, never mind. Just because we not returning any stuff. So basically, yeah, we need to move regex. And here, get the slice. Line slice. Should we go like line str, line str to str, but as str, yeah, and slice line str I to the end. Cool. Can return res here. Yeah, what I'm thinking is, should we reuse just line? Uh, uh, mm, yeah. No, it's fine. Let's just do it the way we started doing it. So basically, what we want to take a look is for m in matches. Okay, string. If line slice starts with m by bounds, let's take a look. Expected function mute closure found string. Yeah, I mean, of course it will warn us because we're doing not not the right stuff. Remember we can do it like this. Yeah, so basically we can do like word and uh num digit, I don't know. And if it start with word, consider borrowing here. Okay. Iterating. Should we remove this mute? Yeah, one sec. Let's just, if it starts, what we want to do, let's just do it like this way. Continue, and we will add the logic. But if it not starts, we just add char to the res. We have line slice. We need first char. Like this. The type cannot be indexed. By integer. Yeah, one sec. Push C. Let's just. Oh, I forgot. I was using wrong, not the push. Push. Cargo run. Cool. String indexes are ranges of use size. Slice index. Can use chars and TF of bytes. Okay, yeah, makes sense. Expected char. Yeah, makes sense. Yeah, dude. Yeah, to be honest, like, you need more practice with Rust. Just because of like they have a lot of good functions like NTF, like mapping, etc. And this is you have a lot of unfunctional programming, and in JavaScript, just like with Rust, it's a bit more complicated of using because automatic memory management. And in JavaScript, you basically like have garbage collectors, so and JavaScript doesn't give a shit about like how it will be managing memory. Okay, so we need a line slice chars and tf 0. I guess this is the stuff, and C will be option, I guess. Yeah, option char. We can unwrap it here for now, because basically we will have all these at least one char. And now we have problem number 2. Digit user move value matches. Yeah, we need to borrow it. Move accused because matches has type string 9. Yeah, into iter. Makes sense. Makes sense, Mr. Rust. So we borrow in here. Now we have, yeah, consider the referencing. Digit. Yeah, now on the digit. Okay, cool. So, and if it starts with word, we want to replace it. For word and digit. Yeah, we need to move it out. So we shot it in the screen, slicing over it. We get in first char. We can get it here, I guess. Yeah, the thing we want to do is we first check it from the matches. And like, if it start with word, we can make a break from this one. And if it start with this word, we doing res push digit. Yeah, let's just replace it with digits. Dude, I should use replace, but I don't remember how to do it properly. Oops. Undo. Okay, got it. Yeah, we have a reference because of taking reference of matches. And we need to like shorten the slice. Shorten the slice because of we're taking the word and we basically want like replace it. Dude, should we just replace it? Or can we do it like this? Can assign twice to immutable variable. Consider making this binding mutable. This is more like a C programming style. Yeah. Value assigned to I is never read. Maybe it's written before being read. No. Like, you really don't need like Rust for these types of problem solving, because like this is basically going through the bytes. C style is kind of good for this. So what we want to do is add I to chars, like word chars count. Dude, I don't know. Like, I guess it's making a copy or something. Dude, this is a pain. Line chars count. I guess should I just Should I just make a loop and just work with slice copy? No, I mean like not making line slice, but just always working when line is here, and make it smaller. Yeah, I guess I'll do it this way. So basically, what we want to do, line str, right? And like this one is not for, but like while while line str chas count, I guess, more than 0. Can find yeah, my bad. Line str like this. No, I mean we need to reduce it by 1, but not like in the end. How it will work if we do it like a slice, like do something with it, like print slash, no, it's using slash anyway, a slice, and here like while a slice chars count more than 0, len, okay, len can't, dude, can't assign twice, yeah, it's just not mutable, do it mutable. Oh, okay, do I need slash n, I guess? Println, yeah, we have println. Hello world, basically at last moment it working with D, and then yeah, makes sense, I guess. Makes sense. Line str, we just put it here because we want first like to work with it. Find matches. Line slice, yeah, no line slice here. Line str. Can't. What? Never mind. Never mind. And yeah, we just do line str. And not like 1. Basically, we want to take what chars count. Can it find line slice? Yeah, makes sense. Line str. So if it's like 1, we'll want to push 1. Yeah, makes sense. Okay. So if it starts with word, we push digit, and we slicing through the word's length and break. So we don't need to go through this one again. And the thing just is we want to set some kind of flag found, and we're making found through here. It's not right yet. And in the end, like, if not found, no, like if found, we need to continue, right? Yeah, we don't want to go through this one. And I guess like that. Let's try to run tests. Cargo run test. Could, yeah. Buying option day 1 P2. Oh wait, is it just cargo test, right? Cargo test. Okay, I guess we done it. And we passed test, so now we just run through input and it should work. Cargo clear cargo run bin day 1 part 2. Day 1 part 2, am I right? Yeah. It should be like this. Oh my god, okay. It's too low. If you're stuck, make sure you're using full input data. The about page you can ask for return to day 1. I guess I fucked it at some point. It hasn't changed. You can get input. Let's take a look what we have done wrong. Line 3RZ97 LTTM 32 MD 56594. Dude, I mean, it's fine, I guess. 268. Yeah, let's just test it. I guess I fucked up at some point. Input test 9876 yes, we don't use it. Calibration. We take in line, replace words, push data here. Last char, yes, ASCII digit, old line, and I guess we want sum. Parse use size. Let's make it like value. I guess we can remove this if we using type notation and sum plus value. And now we can debug value here. And let's run it again. Day 1 part 2. Where can we fuck this? 3 makes sense. 9 9, 7 makes sense. 3, 2, 5, 4, 4, 8. Dude, I don't know. Look okay. 2, 1. 7, 8. 7, 4, 8. 78, 1. Why could I do it wrong? I don't know, like, seems like makes sense for me. Input the same. 14, 65, 44, 7, 43, check 8, 2. Yeah, 8, 2 was test, was test value. Like, take a look. Like 2, 2, 8, 1. It should be 2, 8, 1. Let's run tests again, but it seems it's working fine. Yeah, basically, like, I don't know, like the test is right. We just don't have the bug. One warning, collections hash map, test apply suggestion. Base test, B2 test. No, I mean, it's fine. Let's just go through it, I don't know. 8, 2. Yeah, makes sense. Like, here's 8, 2. And we got 8. Like, that's the right stuff. 6, 2. 8, 2, 3 in test. No, I mean, yeah, I got it. But test passing, I guess it's like, it's fine. I mean, okay, let's just do it like this way. There is a problem 8.2. Is it on real data? The one I was doing before? What line you mean? 8. Because I didn't see it. I mean, it should be passed like that. Wait, are you sure? 8. Okay, let's read. It looks like some of the digits. I thought we need to like use it. Yeah, let me check if you're right. I guess makes sense. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 9 also count as valid digits. Equipped with this new information, you need to find the real first and last digit. Which line, for example, is 7. Yeah, I got it. I thought we need to replace it. That's why. Okay, thanks. Yeah, let's do it that way. Like, I thought just if we have like 8, 2, we need to write like 8 and just like WO. But I guess you're right. Let's do it. Let's do it that way. I just haven't seen it like in this explanation. And we have like just the values. it would be cool if they write like this will be like 7, 6, etc. So okay, so basically it's even easier than we thought. We don't need slicing like that. And we don't need like found. Then I was trying to find regex pack for Python that will overlap in much. Yeah. Uh, like you saw me trying to use regex. I just don't like to use like a lot of different packages for this kind of stuff. That's why I liked like to use C or Zeek. You're basically doing with standard tools. It's kinda, I don't know, like I don't like, maybe just me, but I don't like to use like 25 packages just to like solve this basic problem. So I like it do it this way, so I'll do it this way, and I like that we don't need to use regex. So yeah, I think we don't need found, and we need break, but so now we just, if it starts, we push in digit, and we will go and yeah, we just, no, we need done. We need done for, I mean found for, like, if we found, we don't need to push C. But regex should be part of standard lib, not sure about the overlapping feature. No, I would say no. Like, the thing with standard library, it just depends on the language you use. But for system languages, they need to have small standard library. And basically Rust trying to do this. They don't have like HTTP servers, like standard HTTP server or something. Like you can look for it, like Rust HTTP server. And basically you need to use create, like hyper or something. What it has, yeah, like create HTTP, but it just types. General purpose for common types found. You'll find request and response type for working. Yeah, so this one I was just trying to make like small HTTP server. This one is just types, so basically standard library doesn't have it, and it's fine. Because in other way, like if standard library will have all the stuff, it will be too bloated. Like the executable will be too big, and it's already like big for Rust, for Zeek too. But for system, like in Go, it's kinda, because Go like has it in the standard library. But for system languages, like it's not okay, because you can't use it like Go. I'm not sure if you mean you like it or just example. If you like it, I mean I like Go too. I'm using it as my standard like go-to language, I would say. I'm using it for my like game development server. I'm not sure. I think at some point I'll start streaming game, like my game development. The problem is just I want to like focus on this project and sell it. So I don't want to like show source code fully. I think you understand why. I'm okay with it, but size of binary is scary. Yeah. I mean, I'm fine if it's not system language, but the problem, like, you can see this, like, this problem when you're trying to use Rust in embedded development. So, because basically, like, it in theory you can use it for embedded development, but in practice there is no good compilation for like compiler for embedded Rust because it's different architecture. And when I'm talking about embedded, I mean not the like Raspberry Pi or something, because those devices are pretty powerful. Like they have like 2 gigs of RAM or something. I'm talking basically like IoT devices that have like 8 MB ROM. So basically, maximum you can put in it is 8 MB program, and like 256 kilobytes of RAM. And you can see, like, you can search for using Rust embedded, like for IoT, or even like Go for IoT. The thing you will find is like good titles in style, like more like, oh, you can use Rust and Go for embedded. But then you go through the video and you understand to use Rust, you need to remove like disable standard library like overall, because you just the size of executable will be too much. So basically, you remove in standard library. Uh, I think you disabling like some extra stuff, and there's just no sense to use it in that way. Like you just use C at this point. Yeah. Like the thing about Rust, most people don't understand it, but like there is unsafe code in Rust, and basically your standard library is full of unsafe code. Just because save Rust like don't give you a lot of opportunities. Like mm, I would say like recursive data structures, like tree or something, a graph. It's just pain in the ass to do them in Rust. And basically you stick to some smart pointers, and your code is just ugly. It's just hard to read it, and or you just do unsafe Rust. And at this point, if you have a lot of unsafe Rust, just switch to like Zeek or something, because it's just not make sense. Rust is just good, like middle stuff between something like Java and C Sharp and C. Basically, you have abstractions. Your standard library is full of abstractions, but you write like fast code. Um, so yeah, this is like that. Let's continue. So we don't want to push if we found. Push C. Yeah, we just do it like. But now we need to take previous one. Now let's do it like. If not found. So if we haven't found, we want to take first one and push it. I guess like that. Cargo test. Yeah, let's check input calibration. Clear cargo run 547. Was it that? Dude, I'm not sure. Was it the same? Yeah, this one is right. Thanks a lot. Like I was not considering. I was thinking we need to replace it and not use it. So basically, cool. Like we got it. Yeah, let's continue. Day one, you can share this victory or return. Share on Twitter, Mastodon. Oh, cool, Mastodon. Yeah, Mastodon is cool. Like I have a friend that I guess he will watch this stream. But Mastodon is kind of cool idea. Like that you have basically I forgot how we call it on English. Like when you have not one source of server, but like it's split it, like peer-to-peer or something. Yeah, cool. Share. Dude, can we share it like just? Yeah, fuck it. Just fuck it. You Turn to your calendar. Okay, cool. Day 2. Let's fucking go. Cube Conundrum. Let's fucking go. So we go in, Sosbin. I think we will continue to do it in Rust today. And in day 3, I will switch to Zeek. Like, we'll see if we need the same code for every day. But I guess it's like you just need it for several parts. So for next day, we can use next language. Maybe we'll do on Go it at some point, but we'll see. Touch day 2, part 1. Let's go. Day 2, part 1. Main. Is it main? Pre-len. Expected. One of found main. Dude, I always forget how to write main in Rust. Day 1. Oh my god. Oh my god. Function. Oh my god. Yeah, that's funny. That's pretty funny that I started to write it like C++ code. Okay, let's see what we have. You launch high into the atmosphere. The apex of your trajectory just barely reaches the surface of large float in the sky. You gently land a fluffy pile of leaves. It's quite cold, but you don't see much snow. An elf runs over to greet you. The elf explains that you are right at Snow Island and apologizes for the lack of snow. He'll be happy to explain the situation, but it's a bit of work, so you have some time. They don't get many visitors up here. Would you like to play a game in the meantime? As you walk, the elf shows you a small bag and some cubes which are either red, green, or blue. Each time you play this game, he will hide a secret number of cubes for each color in the bag. And your goal is to figure out information about the number of cubes. To get information once a bag has been loaded with cubes, the elf will reach into the bag, grab a handful of random cubes, show them to you, and then put them back in the bag. He'll do this a few times per game. You play several games and record the information from each game. Your puzzle input. Each game is listed with its ID number, like the 11 in game 11. Wait, what? Okay. Followed by, yeah, this is the stuff we start to get as input. That's why I wanted to write some kind of tokenizer for it. Like, I already have it in C. Maria, I don't know. Let's just try to focus on this. Semicolon separated list of subset of cubes that were revealed from the back, like 3 red, 5 green, 4 blue. For example, the record of the few games might look like this: 3 blue, 4 red, 1 red, 2 green, 6 blue. Each game is listed followed by semicolon separated list of subsets of cubes. In game 1, 3 sets of cubes are revealed from the back and then put back again. The first set is 3 blue cubes and 4 red cubes. Okay. The elf would first like to know which games would have been possible if the bag contained only... Dude, I'm not fully understanding what's going on. If the bag contained only And 14. The example above, games 1, 2, and 5 would have been possible if the back had been loaded with that configuration, however. I guess I got it. Possible because at one point they'll show you 20 red cubes at once. Similarly, game 4 would also have been impossible because fail showed you 15 at once. So, interesting. Is it like I mean he can show the same, like we have 3 blue here, 6 blue here. Does it mean that it needs at least 9 or at least 6? I guess at least 6, right? So semicolon means that cubes are thrown back. Yeah, like basically show like this is 3 iterations for one game. He show like 3 blue, 4 red, put it back. Show 1 red, 2 green, 6 blue, put it back, and then 2 green. So basically, like for game 1, it means there is at least 6 blue, at least 2 green, and at least 4 red. First, like to know which games would have if the back contain only 12 red cubes. Yeah, I mean, I think I get it. Just we need to find like max value. If the back had been loaded, yeah, let's just try to. We have only like this example, and I'm not sure if I understand it fully, but let's just try with input and we'll see. So now we need like parsing stuff. We need lines. Oh, yeah. Read input from files. I guess we leave it as it is. And we just go like read input from file, file name, str, and we can just say it's static in our case, and we will have like a bunch of stuff. Yeah, we will have vector of games. Dude, I like to work with structure something. I just like when I need to create some kind of structure and I like, oh my god, this is orgasm. I don't know, maybe too much OP, but I mean, not inheriting something, just structuring it. make me like it. So we need ID, not int, it's not Golang. Then go next. Yeah, I mean, maybe. I just want Go. I just want try Zeek, but as it got harder, I'm not sure what I want. But I think the last stuff I will do it will be not Rust, but we'll see. I um, just want to practice Rust more. But I guess this kind of tasks is not like you need a lot of time to just figure out Rust stuff. Where like in C on or in Go, you just do it. Like you don't need to go through the documentation. Like in Zeek to just maybe some stuff on standard library. Um, yeah. U32. Uh, yeah. I'll just use it like use size because it's always like you need to use size in iteration or something. So we have game ID for Python. Yeah, for sure. Like for Python, it's pretty great. Like basically, Rust is a little overkill. Yeah, yeah. Like for this stuff, it's really like overkill. I would say. I mean, it just depends on the task, yeah. But because we don't have like a big input here and some time constraints, so we need to do it like in perfect performance way. I mean, at that point, Rust will be good, but like you need to get through a lot of in standard library. And the problem is like it's harder to go through standard library of Rust just because of its smart pointers and like traits hell, like traits everywhere. Um, you need to jump through it, like go through it, and I get it. Like when you working with it a lot, you just remember this, but things like this just show that Rust is pretty complicated. I mean, complicated. It's just not meant to be simple. Like Go, for example, it's pretty simple. Um, I would say like Zeek, kind of simple. There is a bit stuff you need to go through, but it's not like standard library stuff. It mostly like C stuff you had, like C problems you had when you worked with C. And in Zeek, you just, okay, this makes sense. In Rust, it makes sense too, but in the hard way. Like, okay, I need box smart pointer to say that I want to push it on the heap. Like, it makes sense, but it just like not straightforward. You can't like just allocate memory on heap. You need to say, okay, this is box, or like this is RC, reference and count in smart pointer. So what I mean is like there is a lot of smart pointers you can get rid of just because they help Rust understand where memory goes. Yeah, but yeah, talking about Python, like for this task, like Ruby, Python, I don't know, like Lua, if you like these kind of languages, PHP, I guess, they should be fast. Like I think Python is um, the fastest, like from this. I mean, for the fastest you can um, resolve the task, like solve the problem. So yeah, for sure. Yeah, I will do Go at some point. I guess I will do it when we will go like to the harder tasks. I'm not sure I want to do it on Rust whole thing, because as I going through it and as I was working, like you need a lot of experience with C to understand Rust, a lot of experience with C to like Rust. Yeah, yeah, for sure. Like for every, I would say for every system language where there are like memory management is custom. I mean, I would say Go is system language too. Just it has a garbage collector, but anyway, there is a lot of stuff going there. Just less that makes sense if you were working with C and like, okay, I understand why I'm making slices or something like that, or like I need arena allocator. So yeah, it make more sense when you worked with C. You like C solve the problems it had, and just think, okay, that makes sense. So yeah, and in C, like you always need some kind of your standard library. Like I have a lot of functions. Like let me show. C libc core. Yeah, this is the stuff I was working. Is it tils include? Yeah, and basically this one has headers, and I have a lot of custom stuff here, like memory management. Some of them are just copy, but I set them that way because at some point I wanted to make debugging where memory goes. That's why I need abstraction solver so I can change like implementation and add some overhead with debugging memory going through. And I have like vector here. I was trying to do it like minimal as I can. I have like string, but basically this is just functions. And the last one I was working is split to records, and this one basically like going through the string input. Let me show you. Like I have tests for this. String, yeah, like this one. Basically, here's the input, like basic kinda JSON, just key value with /n, etc. And you can use it like this: split to records, say buffer, say chars as like field separator and record separator. One sec. What makes vector so special and still not at the CLIP? I mean, there is a lot of stuff that can be added in CLIP. There is just, it depends, like C should be the minimal overall, like standard library should be as minimal as it could be, and I'm fine with that. Like that's why we have languages, like other languages except C. And why it's so, as I said, because of embedded stuff. And vector is basically just a fat pointer around array. So you can see this is test, right? Let me show code. Yeah, basically like here is the structure. So this is like array at some type, size and capacity. I guess it's just not that because it's some environments. I was working like with IoT stuff, and like my understanding, what I saw is like in embedded you don't have like L1, L2, L3 caches like for modern processors, and these caches, this is mostly like cache friendly code. You can read through it, like data oriented design or cache friendly source code. What this mean is like there is cache. Yeah, by the way, there is the thing I know about that is like from Black Book Doom. Like this book is great. I don't know. I haven't found it online. But like there is a lot of stuff going there. There was a video some kind about how they were doing Doom. But wait, what the fuck? Okay. So yeah, back to vectors. And the thing like how cache works for processor is basically you can't say like, okay, take my data and put it in cache. It's automatic stuff, and it see it as the way when you put in data in as like sequence, and when it see you go right from the like from one side, like I don't know, like memory address 1000, and just getting data through it like 1001, 1002, 1003, and for example, like through 2000s, like thousand of bytes. When you do it like several times, processor will put it in cache. And when it cached, you get it not from the RAM, like, I mean memory, but through processor, like memory, this cache. And it's like for L1, L1 is the smallest. It's 10 times faster than get it through a RAM. That's why like, and in this book, like they're going through it, because it kind of like their history, and they go through the points when they like this caches was added, and now we have it like in all the, even Raspberry Pi processor have it like ARM, but embedded processors, they don't have it because cache is kinda, it's not cheap, like it's cost a lot. That's why processor cost a lot. You can find this information on the internet, but they cost a lot. That's why they kind of small. And for embedded stuff, because there is no cache, working with linked list will be faster than working with vector, because vector is sequence data. Linked list is not, and yeah, this is, I guess, the answer. So mostly when you're working with C, it's kind of low level stuff, and they at this point they will need put like linked list, vector, I don't know, map, and it will like the standard library will be much bigger, so they don't want to do it. If you want, you can find some or like use this, and in vectors, yeah, you can get more info for vectors. There was a video from Bjorn Straustrup, I guess. Straustrup, use vectors instead of map. They was talking even like about maps. Yeah, linked lists, but maps are kind of the thing too. I'll share it here. You can get more info from there. I will put it in Telegram too. If you haven't, if you're still not here, you can add. I will copy the link. You can join. It's free. Free channel, and I'll put like a lot of different stuff and interesting I found out, like basically filtering it for you, because like there is a lot of shit in the internet. So yeah, you can take a look at those that video. Like it's explain why vectors are better. Like basically, for small data, you don't need like use hash map or something, because vector will be faster because of caching, and that's used in game development too. Like more cache friendly code, the faster it will be. Yeah, so let's get back to it. What I was saying is like I have like my custom library for C I'm using, just minimal stuff and in one header. I mean, there is several headers, but I just putting it in one header when I working with it. Let go AC. Dude, I even forgot what we are working on. Day 2, part 1. Okay, so we will have game structure with AID, with I think we have like red, green, and blue, right? So we can just reds count. Should I write count? Yeah, I mean, why not? Use size. Red, green, blue. Cool. And yeah, that's it. That yeah, we have several iterations of red, green, blue. I mean, we can just set it as vector too, or slice. Because we need several iterations. Dude, how I make a slice? I forgot. Yeah, it's easier just to vector. Vector. By the way, we will do it like basically in the data-oriented style. Yeah. And iter count. No, I mean if we do it iter count, so we have like, and basically iter count is the size of vector, right? Vector. Oh, dude, this is yeah. We don't have vector, we have vec. Because this is Rust. Yeah. Okay, and now we will just copy from this one, and we will rewrite it basically using map, I guess. We have it map, but yeah, now we need vector, so we can vector of games lines. Yeah, let's just do it in the Rust style. I don't know. String map. No, lines. Lines is structure. Implementing iterator map. Function mute self item. Return b. I guess like that. I'm not sure. Closures. Closure. Yeah, this is the way to do it. So basically, closure to the item. Our item is line. And we want to return some kind of b, line unknown. It's interesting. Full unknown. Yeah, this is because of errors. So if we do it this way and return line, will it work? I guess not. Clear cargo run bin day 2 part 1. not found this scope. Yeah, makes sense. stdfs, yeah, stdfs read to string, right? Found built-in path. Yeah, path, cool. Value of type the game, iterator, okay, /str. So now we just work through it. We have line, we need to split it. We need to split it like dots. And so we take an str primitive and we want to split it. Match or split iterator, yeah, and we can have several of those. So basically we do in split, we want a string. I guess we'll use array just for simplicity to understand what we want, and we want like this one and this one, and let the split. This is iterator. Wait, what? Char and 2 pattern. Collect. No, I mean it's fine. I'm not sure I understand why it's char 2. Let's just go with. Yeah, sure. This expression, yes, map iterate item is str here. Iterator I'm changed to, yeah, this makes sense, but okay, let's just fix most of problems we have right now. So we know we can put it as string. We need collect. Yeah, this is, no, wait. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So we doing it this way, I guess. Line, boom, split the char. What if we do collect? What we get? Cool. Yeah, let's just get rid of this first. Like this. No return. Let r explicit type, because he don't understand. But we want to take a look vector on the syntaxes. Yeah, I mean that's Rust. Yeah, I will go through the Zix for sure. Like because Zik is much more like C style. It just have like some pluses. But Rust is, you can't say it's C style. It's not even C++ style something. It's just kind of new language. I mean, it's, the style is unique. You don't have something related to it. So yeah, you just need to. That's like the main problem, right? I mean, not even the main. Like, there's several problems. The one problem is like stuff with memory management. The second one is you just need to get used to this memory management or work with it, and it will go faster for sure. But I don't think you can like be performant with Rust as you will be performant with Go, for example. Like in Go, you just do it very fast. Your iterations are very fast. I'm not even talking about compile time. In Rust, is just too much. Compile is doing too much, and that's why it's taking a lot of time. Like in small project, you don't see it for sure. Um, yeah, let's get back to it. So because let's do this. Given v, because it doesn't know what we want, but it's I mean it's kinda gross. Like, why it doesn't understand what we want? Because we splitting the string. Is it like um not found? Yeah. Okay. Okay, Rust. Like, you want it this way, but I want to know what type of it, because yeah, this is because of closure. I get it. Like, mob don't know what we. What if we say like something like this? Is it mismatch type? And here like 0. Yeah. So we're saying we want to return. Let's get back to it. If the pattern is a slice of chart split on each occurrence of any of the characters. Boom, boom, collect, there. Okay. So we do need this way. Mismatch types, it's fine. Dude, I don't like this one. Why we need to do it? So now we have vector. Let's just try to debug it a bit, just so we're sure what we're doing. Okay, boom. We're taking. Yeah, we have another input. What I'm thinking about. Yeah, I need to change it some kind of input day2 like this. Touch input day2 txt. We'll use Nana just to print it. Boom. Paste anyway. Oh my god, this was what this is. I think it's fine. And now we try to run Kaga again. Okay, makes sense. So what we have here, right? Game one and the iterations. Iterations, and we need to split it in. Like, we need to trim it and split it by spaces. So the first one will be always like game number, and then the iterations. and every iteration we need to split it by comma and split by comma and trim. Yeah, and just I think like we need then split by space so we can get data and I'm just thinking if we just split it by space like trim and split, yeah, we'll have it easier to split it by comma then space. Okay, let's go through it. What I'm thinking, let's take like this one as a input. Just a reminder in the code. Boom, 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 boom. Dude, this one is too big. Let's take it like this. Okay, so we split it. We get the vector. We want to get first one. I'm not sure we need to take it as vector. If we can go like iterating through it. Yeah, let's just stick to vector, it will be easier. I mean, we don't need collect at some kind of, because we get an iterator and we will go through it. Yeah, let's just take iterator. Yeah, expected. I get it. Yeah. Okay. So we get in line iter. We take in first one nth first. Let's take a look. Type option. Okay, makes sense. We unwrap it. So first one is game. Game str. Yeah. Game str. So, and we can split it by space. Split by space. Game str. Split. Can I do it like this? I don't know. Yeah, I guess. And nth one unwrap. Dude, a lot of unwraps to be honest. Unwrap is not good to work with. I mean, when you're unwrapping, it's trying to get data from option because there can be data or none. And unwrap just panic. The good way to do it is matching. But in our case, like when we use an unwrap, we're saying, okay, we know it will work. If it will not and it's panic, it's fine. We will fix it. So it will mean we have a problem at some point. So you will see a lot of unwraps or matching. Like basically, what does it mean? Like you can see the type. It's option. Option is basically enum that have some data or none. So if you do match and say like, okay, some or none, panic for example. So you can see D is like string slice because it got it from option, and unwrap used for different encodings. No, unwrap is to get it like you can see game. No, not here. Like nth will result in option. So if, for example, if I don't use unwrap here, you can see GameStar is option to string slice. What does it mean? Is like NTH can succeed or can fail because Rust don't have like exceptions or something, and it use like resulted option in those stuff. That means like GameStar can have this string slice, or it can be none, because like there is no first NTH, and that's why you use match to like, okay, I want split by space and get first one, and if it's none, like panic or something, or do like nothing, I don't know. And if it's sum, take like string slice and do something with it. But the fastest way you can like go through it and say unwrap, and that's mean, okay, you can see like GameStar is not the option more. Unwrap mean, okay, take data and put it in GameStar, and if it's none, just panic. I don't give a fuck. So yeah. GameStar, line iter. Yeah, I forgot what I was doing. Yeah, this is like the thing with Rust. Like basically Go trying to... Dude, what the fuck I'm doing? Let me come do like game str and now let game ID game str split space nth first unwrap. Now game ID is str, so we got ID from here. Yeah, you do it a lot of in Rust. In Go, you basically... Go is more C style in this way because it return like pointer, and you always like, oh, error or something, and you always check for like if there is a value, or I mean error, show error or something. Somebody was pissed off by null checks in C and implements something not so boring but mind blowing. Yeah, I mean, like null checks in C or C++. I mean, it was a problem. It basically called like $1 billion problem or something, and it's fine that we have like option, like C++ have option too. Like at some point, they added it to standard library, and I get it. It's fine. Like this is more convenient way to work. Like you use it, this is a pair of value and bool or something, and you do in this way like, okay, string, optional, etc. And it's fine. And in Zeek, I mean in Zeek it's kind of another way. There was it. I think Java has optional or something. I mean, it's fine. Just in Rust, because of this memory management stuff, etc. Um, Go data and there. Yeah, kinda. I mean, the goal the same. Goal the same. Get rid of like exceptions because they are kind of bad. Like there is a lot of different like info in the internet. Why are they bad? But yeah, because of this stuff in Rust is kind of making like this using unwrap, etc. Okay, let's continue. I guess I will stream like for 15, maybe 20 minutes more. I'm not sure we'll finish with it, but I mean, it's fine. We will finish with it tomorrow and then go, I guess, change language after part 2 and do it in Zeek. We'll see what will be the task to do. Okay, so game ID. At this point, we want return game struct. We can call it ID and go it like this with same. Yeah, blue green it account. Sure. Uh, blue green it account. Now we have ID. Now we want to go through iterations. And we do it. First, we need to line iter. First int. Yeah, we want to do it like this. Line iter. Boom. Cannot index. I mean not index. Line iter. Wait, is it? Yeah, it's iterator for sure. Yeah. Let me take a look how we can do it normally. Iterator. It's module. Primitive str. What I want to find is basically primitive for a type for iterator. Struct option buff result. Do just basic trait structure. Outer trait blank structures. Okay, never mind. Next back FMT. Yeah, let's just other way. So we have split. This is str primitive. So we have split, not tear split, just basic split. And split created. Okay. Pattern reminder. No trait implementations. Oh, okay. Here it is. Iterator for split. Advance the iterator and tune the next value. No, next chunk. Nightly experiment. Okay, count last. Advance by. This is nightly. It advanced. Dude. Step by creates an iterator starting at the same point, but stepping by the given amount of each iteration. What the fuck? No, this is not we want. Chain. No. Zip. Map. Filter. No. Filter. No. Gives the current iteration count as well as the next value. Skip. Yeah, I think we want skip. Create and enter the skip elements. Predicate. No. Take while that yields elements based on a no. Map while no. Skip. Oh, okay. This is what I mean. Dude, this is the thing I don't like about Rust. Like, I even think they overcomplicated it. It's not like they needed to do that. Maybe I'm not right. But like, why you have split iterator? I mean, understand it implementing iterate in iter trait, but like, okay, you have split already. You want like, I don't know, skip. You get not split, you get skip iterator or take iterator or some stuff of map while iterator. And this is basically all iterators. And I bet most of them doing the same stuff and just like structure implementation for convenience. I don't know. but this is basically abstracting for abstractions. I don't know. I don't like it. Like, okay, you have split or something. I don't know. Name it str iterator, like something like str iter, and just use it all the way. Why skip need new iteration? It's basically the same split, just moved 1 point back. I mean, not back, forward. Why the fuck you create skip iterator for that? This is just, I don't know, kinda creepy. Skip 1. Is it skip? Yeah, we get in skip iterator as we like. First n elements until skipped. Yeah. And now line iter, we can shadow in it because it's split to make rich standard library. No, I mean, I guess there is some point for it. Just I'm not sure it's really needed to do this way because you're making more structures, the like more code. It's harder to understand. Like, I don't know, maybe it's easier to understand. Like, oh, okay, you call skip, then you will have skip iterator, or you call take, you'll take iterator. But what does it mean? Like, what does it mean skip iterator or take iterator or something? Like, it just don't give any info, like no useful info at all. That's why like Go don't have iterators, and it's cool. Like a lot of array functions, you just write for each every time, and I'm fine with it. Like, dude, this can I move this thing? Copy? No. I like functional terms like in Python. Um. What do you mean? I'm not sure I understand. Like, is this related to iterators or what? And how it called, like line other? Dude, take like just skip split. Imagine if I call like line. I don't know. I just called line to 2, but I'll take line other. Can handle of a function by using parameters. Dude, this button is like, I'm hating it already. I'll just add timestamps to it. I like you can handle behavior of function by using parameters. Can you show example? I mean, I understand what you mean. Print blah blah and sit on your line. You'll have. Yeah. I mean, it's okay. I'm okay not using it. That's why we like doing structures. And like in Rust, yeah, if you will do it, like you can do blah blah and like, I don't know, config and say end. Like, this is basically the same stuff. But yeah, and let's just focus on this stuff. Like dude, skip split. Like, okay, if I do skip at skip 1, how much skips I will have? Like, what kind of fucking iterator is it? Skip split. Like, I don't know. Is it useful? Like, I'm not sure. Yeah, and I don't know. Should I call it line skip? Because for convenience, I guess line other is fine. Because I don't know. And line other is, we want to take these iterations. Yeah, it's true. The thing you can do, like you can skip, then take, then skip, and it will skip, take, skip, take, skip, take. Because this is very useful. You can just call skip one, like, and see like how type will be all over the screen, like. Okay, line other. Yeah, mismatch types, it's fine. We want to take data, skipping all this, split it by split, comma. Wait, I just, will it be like skip? This is like new game. You need to find out what kind of type it will have. Like if I split, it will be split, skip, split. Is it right? Let's see. Unknown? Yeah. Better to be unknown. It's easier to understand that, like, okay, unknown. It's fucking gross. But wait, no method name split found, because this is, yeah, because this is already, oh my god. Because we skipped, and now we want to somehow split it, but it's skip and not split. Yeah, let's take a look. I guess skip can't split, and it's right that skips the structure by skip. Okay, see, okay, clone turns a copy of the value. No, FMT, no. Next back and th fold find size next chunk. Dude, how I collect and from transform iterator into a collection. So we need collect it back. Map structure in study it is split. Let me split, please. Skip split. Dude, I think I'm asking too much for Russ. Like, okay, skip. But now I want, dude, I'll just Google it. I fucking dare, dude. Skip to split. Split string and skip empty substrings. Skip while. Okay. Skip while filter. No, no. This is not we want. How do I split that empty? How to split a string? Split returns, so you can call next unwrap if you collect from the split. So by collect, should I call collect all the time? I don't know. Like, I don't have split, so I need to skip. And then when I skip, Repeat successors, traits. Like I want to, dude, I'll go through all the functions, I swear. Product, no. Some, no. Clone, no. Not clone. Position, try and find any test, no. All, no. Try for each partition, collect into. Collect. Yeah, I guess, fuck it. I'll just collect. Can I do collect here, right? Guess not. Consider giving line other type. Okay. Split. Line other split. Vec of str. I mean, what if I set it as this? No math of nth, because we need iteration. Okay, yeah, I got it. We can. Should I use ChatGPT for this? Line other, skip, collect. So if there is an way to solve such problem in Rust. Yeah, for sure. Like, I'm sure there is like more canonical, as they say, way. Just I don't know. Like it's kind of pain when you go through like more imperative style. Like this makes total sense for me. Like I'm splitting, I'm taking first one, okay, splitting again. I want to skip one, and just I don't know. Like for some reason, skip don't want me to split more. Maybe I just don't like to collect all the time to get a vector or something. But I guess I need that. Or maybe, yeah, maybe there is better way. But we just want right now. I just want to focus on solving this. Yeah, I just like in Go. You will do it fine. Like it works fine with that in C and etc. I'm just really trying to understand like how Rust will perform in this way kind of problems, and it's kind of pain in the ass like when it is like basic algorithm, right? Working with strings of arrays of data, something. It it doesn't need take so much time to do that. Okay, there is no split. We do collect a line iter. Just run line other. Yeah, I mean function closure. Um, yeah. And the other ways will be unsafe. And I could do it in unsafe style. I just like what the sense then? Uh, what the sense then take Rust for these kinds of tasks. Mouse go slice. Why function? So wait, is it like vector can't like, so if I use split here, yeah, because this one is because of type, right? Yes, because it doesn't know. So I need to line other collect line other iter no method name split found because iter will return iterator into the t. Line other is str. I'll remove this one. No method. Yeah, because like, okay, this one is now I'm curious how to make some system stuff with Rust and Linux. Basically, you can take a look. I mean, they at some point they added Rust in source code. Let's take a look. I don't know. Linux source code. I bet they started to write something with Rust. Just not sure. See. Do we have like Rust or something? I don't know. File system. What if we search for Rust format? Do they just, oh my god, cool. They have just Rust. Make file, export, helper, alloc, bindings, yeah. Let's do it. Cause you need fucking bindings, cause all the way it's C. Alloc, vec. Dude, they have their own vector implementation, I guess. Or is it? Vec. Let me see this stuff. Or is it copy? Yeah, I don't know. Is it like yeah, because they need to compile it somehow. And now, yeah, they just implemented their own vector. I guess at some point, like, Linux saw all this stuff, Linux, I mean, and said, fuck it, dudes. Like, if we take their standard library, it will be too much. Let's just create in our own. And is it like no std or something? No std? Yeah, no std. Let's go. As I said, someone said, let's use Rust in Linux, and they like, okay, remove all std, and now if I read unsafe, like, is it a lot? Deny unsafe, open unsafe, okay, need salacadas. So basically no std, let's go. We using Rust with no std, it makes sense. I don't know. No, I mean, it just, hey, it's just fine. I mean, yeah, it's just kind of cringe. Like Rovec, that you need to implement your own, and there is like, you can see like there is just unsafe everywhere. So yeah, Rust in Linux. Let's go. So basically rewriting full standard library because it's too big for Linux. And I'm not even sure they will use it a lot. They just started, so we'll see how it goes. Day 2. Not found in ITA. Split. Wait, do we have str? What Dude, I'm talking too much, I guess. We had vector. We split it. Yeah. What the fuck? What I'm trying to do? Like line other. Line iter. Basically line. This is not a vec. Oh wait, or is it? Full lines. Yeah, no, it's fine. Skip one, so we're getting more stuff. Yeah, we need to go through each of them. Wait, I think I I hate it. Too much hate from me. Like, okay, this can't have split, because it's if collected vector of strings. So basically, we need to go through it. So this is an iteration, and now it makes sense. That's why there is no split. But fuck, man, how could I like remember about this when I see this kind of type skip, split, and I just get, I don't know, like no useful information from these types. And now I'm thinking, okay, because line iter is split, what the fuck is split? I don't know. Let's get back. Okay, line. We started from line. Splitting, we getting like iterator, then we splitting this skipping this iteration. Yeah, so the like line other is basically array of strs, and we need to go for each one. We can map, I guess. No, we can't map because we need. Oh, we can. No, I don't. I don't give a fuck. Let's just create vector and go through it. Like green. Vec u size. Vec u. Boom. We need 2 more. Blue. Red. Just move it a bit. Line iter, skip, we skipped. We get other, and now we need to go through each of them. For each, do we have for each? Map inside of map. Yeah, no, we'll not have map because we need to like push data into vector, so we need some kind of for each or something. Basically for range. Basically, I guess like something like this. How can call it? I don't know. Token in and token. Yeah. Okay. Now we token. I mean token, not token. And now for every of this one, we need split using no, wait, we have it already split a comma, right? Split char. Line other. Wait, what the fuck is that? Split char. We splitted it, and now we have like one. Mm, 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 mm. Did I have a headache already? Split for split. Splitting for the sake of skipping for the sake of splitting. So now A is like 1 red, 10 blue, 5 green. Now we need to for every of this one. Let's fucking go. STR. I don't know, how can I call it? Wait, is it, if it's str, can I use it like tuple? I guess not. Yeah. He's like, what the fuck you want to do? N name count name. Let's do it like that. str count name. And we want count name split by space. Oh my god, count name split by space. Dude, I'm just pushing wrong buttons. And we split it. And now the less. Okay, yeah. Dude, can you make it tuple? Like split. I guess you can't just need much, unwrapping, etc. Fuck it. No, I don't want like too much time spent on that. Yeah. Split of char. No, it should be like, I really want to take a tuple. Like split. Str split tuple. Tuple? No tuple? Please? Tuple, please? Mm. Mm. I mean, ATH, yeah, chain, fuck it, zip, map, no, for each, by the way. Enumerate, pickable, skip file, map file, take. Scan, iterator, adapter. Yeah, more iterator adapters. Yeah, no mind, just NTH, fuck it. CN split, I don't know. And we just doing match CN split NTH1 CN split NTH2, and it should be NTH is option. It should be some count, some name. Is it right? Yeah. And we doing this, and if it's not, we panic, I guess. Oh wait, I mean, why I'm doing like this? I can do it. I guess like this. Yes, no. Consider changing. Yeah, we can just unwrap one, unwrap two, more unwraps. I mean, yeah, we could match, but in our case, like the problem, like overall, it's fine. All these features, yeah, I like it. Just like for these kind of tasks, when you like want to iterate fast, just solve them, and like you should like that there is NTH1 and ATH2, and you need to like match in to. I mean, it's like in TypeScript, you sure there is a type and you need to check it like all the time. For these kind of tasks, I think it's not good. So now we have count, but basically not count. Um, no, count, yeah. Count and name, right? And now we saying, okay, match. Now we need match for name, and we want, is it red? Then red push count. Is it blue? And blue push count. And is it green? Then green push count. I guess that's it. Yeah, count str, not in str. We want to pass it for number. Is it pass? Yes, parse. Pass into, wait, is I think it should understand it. Expected use files found result. Yeah, cause yeah, cause it's an option. An option in this case. Yeah, let's just pass. Can we do it like count, parse, use size, unwrap. Mismatch types. I like how like they have variable shadowing, so you can like reuse it and it will be other type. I'm not sure, but I think there is no such stuff in Rust. So you need count v, I don't know, count v, yeah. And now we just use count v here, count v, count v. Yeah, ensure all possible. Panic. Cannot borrow red. Yeah, understood. Wait. Yeah, we need mute here. Cyan split not mutable. Cannot borrow is mutable. Cannot borrow. Yeah, we need to set this is mutable cn split. Cool. I guess we got it. And now we just want so we're saying is will be vector of game, and here we're saying okay, we turn this and we're making game ID red, blue, green. It account, yeah. It's fine because we skipped I think this is enumerate something. Enumerate, which gives the current iteration count as well as the next value. Line iter skip. Okay, line other. We'll have line other anyway. Line other, line iter skip 1. So now we have line other, and we can say let iter count line other count, I guess. Missing field iter count. Okay, you get it. Mismatch types space found star. Yeah, my bad. ID unwrap. Dude, I don't know. Like, should there match? But matching will be like even worse. I mean, I'm fine in panic, but then I have a lot of unwrap. Pass. Unwrap. More unwraps. And I just need... will it understand it? Yeah, it's understand that it's use size. Because I'm setting it here in game, line other, move accuse, okay. We're borrowing it here. Dude, take a look at this type. Token, skip, split, char as into iter as iter, item. And hope that order in example is okay. Yeah, but I mean, you need to, like, you always get in some option. And it's fine. Like, I just needed to check it all the time. So basically, like, this is a good example, like this line. So what I'm taking here is game str, like str, splitting it. We get in split iterator, taking first one. Can I see? No. Like, it will be option. We unwrapping it, and it will be str option. No, str. We use parse. Parse will return like option to number, and we unwrap to get the number. And this is where we get ID as use size. The normal way to do it is I need doing like split, then nth 1. No, I mean, dude, just go through it. It's okay, but basically you need Rust links, and for Rust it's like 100% because you need to practice to get used to it. Reading just Rust book without practicing will be like basically not understandable at all. So yeah, the right thing to do is like nth return option. So we need, like, Rust have such stuff as Different piece. Yeah, I guess. Like I'll do it Zeke tomorrow. I think I'll do it. And we'll just compare. Like Zeke have other stuffs, but at least you are convenient with the thing you do and don't have to unwrap it all. Yeah, so and in this example we have NTH. We need to check, I guess if I remember correctly, if let some if let some a, yeah, so we get in string after NTH, but we need to do something like this. Like, okay, in our example, we will just panic. But then you need, let me see, I'm not sure you can use a, yeah, because like it's out of scope. So basically you need to like let a str. Dude, how you do it, like unwrap, because it's option. Yeah, I guess you do it like this. One sec. Let ID nth. If it's option, we want match. Yeah, because it's option. Options have some functions like or else or something. So basically, you're chaining it. And then, yeah, and then, and returns none if the options is none, otherwise returns OPTB. And Y. Yeah, I guess you do it like NTH and no, not and we need to go through it. Not and self UF sum 2 and then to string as ref no, filter no, expect no, insert is none, is some and no, maps an option to option by applying a function to be contained value or returns none, map or okay or no or take if. Dude, I really trying to unzip of the options. This is tuple. Zip transpose. Okay, let's just think. We have nth will result in one option, and then if we have option, we want parse it. I guess we need to use and then. So we take a function, and function will take t u f option u f its function, t is t self, I don't know, x. Some language call this operation flat map. Turns none if the option is none, otherwise calls off with the wrapped value and returns the result. Make sense and but if it's and I guess you do it and then set it like the split s and then do s pass should be time for lambda, yeah. I guess an unwrap here for sure. Let me double check. Yeah, you can see it usize now. I think there is like a call on it or something. Mm, mm, yeah, there's like a lot of different stuff you can do with Rust. I guess like the more convenient, and then we need parse, and I guess like not wrap, not unwrap, because we want to, but match. Yeah. I mean, let's just leave it as it is. And like you could just unwrap, right? Unwrap and parse, but you use an and then, and it's fine. Like just I don't know. Just more text, I guess. Consider removing the leading references. Wait, what? Did I broke something? As pass expected option found result. What? And then return option. S is str, we want to pass it. I guess it doesn't know. Let's just be more convenient, say okay, usize and pass pass return result. Wait, you don't have unwrap, right? Yeah, because option found result. Some and I just do it the way I was doing it. Unwrap, then parse, mismatched, parse, yeah, like this. Yeah, help. There is a method with similar name unwrap. Unwrap. Yeah, my bad. Yeah, we have line for that. We just remove this one. Boom. Remove leading. I don't understand. A skip is not an iterator. But if we remove it, it's borrowing. I mean, not borrowing, but taking ownership. and yeah, move because line other skip. Yeah, let's just into it. Self, yeah. In this case, we want, yeah, because basically, this is syntax sugar, and when you go in like for range, in this case, basically he will call into iter, and you just don't call it. But in our case, it doesn't work because we don't want to take ownership, and we need just iter. It should be something like skip count dude into. No, yeah, it doesn't know. I mean, but clone. No, no clone. Because lineover has type skip, which does not implement the copy trait. Lineover moved due to this method. And lineover count value used here after move. Into to take ownership, which moves lineover. Okay, makes sense. You can clone the value and consume it, but this might not be your desired behavior. I mean, will it clone just iterator or fully data? This is my question. And I really don't want to search for the answer. Just want to work this to work. Yeah, I mean, line iter, line other. We go through line other. I mean, okay, fuck it. I'll just take count before I went through it, and it should work. Line other. Dude, I don't know. This has been in there at some point. Expected use size found reference. Yes, found reference. Because we not called. Is count taking it? Yeah, I just take. Then because of and then it returns none or result. No, it's just because parse return result. Dude, what the fuck? Like, yeah. Should I? Can I dereference this? So what they have here is line other is skip. Let's just take a look. Skip clone. What does it do? Skip, if we call impl clone for skip, returns a copy of the value. Read more. Yeah, but I just like, is it just copying a skip structure or data overall? Like, because if it's cloning whole data, it will be a problem. Yeah, let's just stick to reference then. Yeah, never mind. It count should work. And this is, yeah, line other. Move accused because line other has type skip yesterday, which no copy trait. Line other moved due to this method. Value used after move, count, clone, skip. Wait, was it skip? Yeah, skip. Count. self. We want take count, but because it taken self and not the reference, consume content. Read more. Method will call overflow panics, but we don't want him to consume it. I guess what we want is a reference to the iterator. We have iter, but we want something like iter mute or iter ref. Iter ref, no, skip. Dude, what the fuck? Uh, uh, so we have line other, line iter, skip, split, skip taken, self, consuming it. Now line other is skip split. Can we do it like this? No. Or we need to dereference it. So what we want is count, but yeah, the reference. But because we're moving data, because of count consuming it, this method will call next. Overflow. Can we like not? So what we want is take count, but not consuming. Iter count. Line other. Line iter count into iter mute as okay as skip split. This is I don't know. I don't know. FMT airfold advanced airfine len. Okay. It has len. Turns the exact remaining length of data. Dude. Okay, so count, consume it, but len is fine. Line other. Wait, what? Method cannot be called on skip due to unspecified trade bounds. Skip doesn't specify exact size iterator. So, wait, is this skip? Impl exact size iterator for skip. So this is trade. No, exact. It's structure, right? No, it's iterate. Then, so wait, we have. And we do not exact. Cool stuff. So it can call len because it doesn't, for some reason, split doesn't work. Dude, okay. I'm just pissed off it. I'll do it like this, and no one can stop me. Just boom. Okay. Just I just don't get it. Like, this is the fastest way, and it's not okay. And fuck it. Yeah, panicked at 28. Cause 28, 28 split and th count name split. Debug cn split move accuse reference. In th01. Oh, you're right. My bad. Wait, is it? Let me check. We have it before, right? NTH. Yeah, you're right. You are right. So now it should work, I guess. Okay. Parsing error 29 now. Now we have it on 29. Dude, I'll just run it fast backtrace, so it will be easier to work with it. Oh. Oh. 29 and not sure it is now. So cbean t29. So count pass use size. Dude, it's not. Is it count? Cn split. No, fuck it. I'll remove backtrace. Split, cn split, matcher, encoder. Cool. Start 0 and 8. We can't get any useful info. 28 count name cn split with splitting by space. This is split char, so we want to collect it. Just count name, right? Yeah, just debug count name. Yeah, you're right. I was running it and like, oh, we need split trim. I forgot about it. I forgot that we need trim it. So basically we want count name trim, right? Is it, can we do it like this and just mute? Can we? Yeah, I guess. None. Str str stream turn string slice with leading and trailing removed. White space define a content terms. Okay, makes sense. Count name trim. Okay, now what? Dude, I'm so tired, I guess. Count name 6 green. Panic 30. Unwrap. Yeah, okay. 30. Count name CN split. Mm, mm, count. I guess it's fine. Count name split. 6 green. We splitting by space. Getting first one. It should be 6. Unwrap none. Unwrap. I think it's base, right? Yeah. NTH. Dude, is it like turns the n element? Like most Unix, the count starts from 0, so NTH the first value. Count, pass. Should be fine. It doesn't consume mutable reference. So dude, I don't get it. Like we have count name 6 green. Space first will be 6 and we unwrap it. Okay, 30 debug NTH. Yeah, I mean what is CN split? Split char. Can it somehow like will it show us move queues? Okay, CN split. And yeah, it will be yeah, it just matcher stand, matcher, finger, high stack, TF size. One sec. CN split collect. Consider specifying the generic we want collect as vector of str. You can clone that. Vec of str cn split. I mean collect will consume, right? Move, yeah, move accuse. NTH. Yeah, never mind. We'll do it like just like this. tuple C and split nth0 and C and split nth1. Wait, what? Like, why it's none? Is it like not space? Green. Maybe in TH. No, it's not consuming. Returns like most. Not that all persistent elements as well as the element will be consumed. Consumed from the iterator. That means that the preceding element will be discarded. Also, that column. Dude, is it? Is it like this? Yeah. Oh my god. I mean, it makes sense. I understand why they do it that way, but it just you use like nth and you just want to return value, but you just consume it. Cool, bro. Thanks. Yeah. So because it consumed it move iterator next, and now 0 will be 0. 6 green, 1 green, 1 blue. I mean, we remove debug and I think just finish on this. So we want to remove debug from here. We collect in here. Now we have vector of games and we want debug v. Doesn't implement debug the trade. This is because of game. We need to do derive debug, if I remember it's correctly. Yeah. Wait, what? Filter never used. Okay, so it's fine. And we have full stuff. ID for. Wait, why they go in D1 red 11 green 614? It account for. Yeah, I guess I fucked it. I guess I fucked it. Let's just debug line here. Before we... Wait. Game 1, 1 red, blue. Yeah. Dude, it's hard to read. Let's do it. Yeah, just remove debug from there and compare it to actual file. We have it here. So what we have here is 1 red 1 1. One. Is it 6 1 4? 6. No, 6 5. Wait, what the fuck is my input? input d to txt. Okay, makes sense. Input d to txt. And we fucked again. Need to debug this, I guess. We have a line. Let's just debug line. Then debug line other, I guess. Token. Debug token. Line game one. Token 6 green. One green, one red, 12 blue. What? I guess I skipped somewhere. Is it because I can't skip consuming it? Yeah, I consumed something that I just... yeah, I guess I consumed it at some point with skip. Let's just run... no. Let's just... We have this one, so line iter will... Yeah, nth1. Come on, let's go. So if we take in th1, then... Ah, wait, is it 0? Game star. No, wait. Line iter, we consume game str. And now we need to split it, and ID will be in th1. I guess like this should be fine. Line token 11 blue, 6 green, 6 green. Yeah, we 1 red and blue. So we split it in th1. We taking game str, split it, line iter. I guess we don't need skip here because we nth it already. Is it like that? Yeah, dude, this is like so much pain. No, we just don't need it that skip one because we already is it fine? Free blue? Yeah, I guess it's working. Free red. So basically we had skip one here, and we don't need it more because we nth0 here, and now it doesn't have like first one, and yeah, that's why we just do it like this. I'll just fuck it and like leave it as it is. Yeah, and now we can go through all the bugs and just remove it, and we want debug v here. That consumer is really strange. I mean, it's okay for Rust because Rust wants it's consumed, so like you don't have ownership on it at some point. And I think there is functions that doesn't consume it, but yeah, I mean the first thing you will find out is like, okay, NTH, but who the fuck know, like if you don't read it, like you just consume. Why not call it like NTH consume or something? I understand that it's a lot of spelling, but at least you know what is going on. So yeah, red, green, blue. Is it really 6 iterations? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. Okay, makes sense. Mm, uh, mm, dude, how much we need to do more to find out? We need to find minimal. Yeah, let's just do it tomorrow. Kinda. Uh, I'm streaming like for 3 hours, I guess. Yeah, we'll just finish with it. It should be kind of fast. We have that already. So we'll just finish with it tomorrow and I guess switch to Zeke for next task. And then go at some point. So yeah, let's finish with it. Thanks guys to be here with me and see you tomorrow. I will announce it in Telegram, but I guess it will be like 6 p.m. Kyiv time, something like that, because it's Saturday tomorrow. So thank you, be here with me, and see you tomorrow. Bye.